Everyday use of high specific heat capacity of water. 1. Fermentation. The application of moderate heat around 50 degrees Celsius to relieve swollen body parts, often uses hot water bottles or bags. This is due to water's high specific heat capacity, which allows it to store a significant amount of heat energy at a relatively low temperature. 2. Water is used as a coolant in car radiators and thermal power stations because it can absorb a large amount of heat energy from the engine or machinery without itself reaching very high temperatures. 3. Water is used for internal heating in cold countries because it can carry a large amount of heat energy from the furnace to the rooms at a moderate temperature. 4. The high specific heat capacity of water is crucial for the survival of animal and plant life. This is why living organisms have a high water content in their bodies, aiding in the regulation of their body temperature. 5. Wet soil heats up more slowly than sandy soil because water requires about 5 times more heat energy than sandy soil to increase its temperature. 6. Farmers in cold regions often water their fields in the evening when frost is expected. Due to water's high specific heat capacity, it releases a large amount of heat energy as it cools, preventing the temperature of the field from dropping below 0 degrees Celsius and protecting crops from frost damage. 7. In cold regions, fruits and vegetables are shielded from spoilage caused by freezing and cell rupture when water inside them freezes. To prevent this, fruits and vegetables are stored in underground storage areas with large tubs of water. The water's high specific heat capacity releases a large amount of heat energy as it cools, preventing the temperature from dropping below the freezing point of water and preserving the produce. Some examples of high and low heat capacity. 1. The body of a calorimeter is made from a thin sheet of copper to keep its thermal capacity low. This allows the calorimeter to quickly attain the temperature of its contents while absorbing a negligible amount of heat energy. This reduces experimental errors and helps in accurately calculating the specific heat capacity of a substance. 2. The base of a metallic cooking pan is thickened to enhance its thermal capacity. A pan with higher thermal capacity can absorb a significant amount of heat energy at a lower temperature. This ensures that food cooks evenly without becoming charred, thereby preserving its nutritional value. Furthermore, the food retains warmth for a longer duration. 3. The base, sole, of an electric press is made thick and heavy to increase its thermal capacity. A press with a higher thermal capacity can absorb a large amount of heat energy, keeping its temperature within safe limits to prevent clothes from burning. Furthermore, the thick base retains heat for a longer period after the electric current is switched off.